Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, it's Mia here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll talk about the infinitive. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Look at the picture. Why is mother sitting in the living room? She's sitting there to read a book. What form of the verb does she use to express her purpose? She uses the to infinitive to read. You will notice that read is in the simple present form. The infinitive doesn't change its form. And we use the to infinitive to show purpose. Now read these sentences. He brushes his teeth to keep them clean. She's using the knife to cut the vegetables. The man used an axe to cut down the tree. Well, can you identify the two infinitives in these sentences? Yeah, you are right. They are to keep, to cut, and to cut. Now, pay attention to the words used before these infinitives. We have the nouns teeth, knife, and axe. So we can conclude that the to infinitive may be used after nouns. Well, we can also use the to infinitives after pronouns. Look at this example. Teacher Aida asked her to wash her hands. So, we use the to infinitive to wash after the object pronoun her. Now, look at some more examples. She was pleased to meet her at the post office. It's easy to cut the tree with an axe. Pay attention to these sentences. What are the words before the two infinitives here? They are pleased and easy. What are they? They are adjectives. So we can conclude that the to infinitive may also be used after adjectives. Choose the correct answer. Look at the examples. She can break the stick. Teacher Aida let them play outside. They saw him ride his bike. You must finish your work. Look at the sentences. Can you find the infinitives? The infinitives are break, play, ride, and finish. They are called the infinitives without to. What are the words used with these infinitives? They are can, let, saw, and must. They are called special finites. The infinitive without to may be used after special finites such as may, can, must, and so on. And the verbs let, make, see, hear, feel, and so on. Remember, the infinitive doesn't change its form. We cannot add s, es, ed, or ing after the infinitives. Now look at some more examples. The boys didn't find the ball. He doesn't go to the party. Pay attention to these two sentences. Can you find the infinitives? They are find and go. After the auxiliary verbs, just like do, does, or did, we also use the infinitives without to. Correct the sentences. Well, I'm afraid that's the end of our today's video. But don't worry, inshallah, I'll see you again with a different topic next week. See you. Wassalamualaikum.